Welcome back. Members of Reis-Magos, Kalangut and Nerul Panchayat have demanded strict action against Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes for his alleged involvement in Francis Serrao attack case. Former Industries Minister Suresh Parurekar has also supported the villagers.
MLA सांगे न्हू बंदोबस्त करूंकूच जाय बंदोबस्त जायना जाय आमी बंदोबस्त करता.
And what can be termed as major setback to Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes? Panchayat members from Reis-Magos, Kalangut and Nerul have demanded strict action against their MLA. They have condemned the attack on Reis-Magos Panch Francis Serrao and have alleged that the attack was masterminded by Kalangut MLA Agnel Fernandes. This is not all. Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sikwera has demanded CBI inquiry.
We are trying to have a CBI inquiry on Agnel. Right? We will be writing a letter shortly to the state government or the central government to do the needful.
However, on 5th February, the day when Francis Serrao was attacked, Agnel Fernandes had blamed police department for failing to maintain law and order in his constituency. Agnel had also condemned the attack on the Panch member. But villagers are not in a mood to listen. Now they have served ultimatum to government to act within 7 days or be ready for a bandh. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar. PWD Minister Churchill Alamau confirmed that the proposed Warka Talauli bridge will come up across River Sal in Warka. Amidst contradiction on this project, the minister determined to turn this project into a reality.
George Fernandes, a resident of Uddo Warka, opposes the proposed bridges and also the place notified for the project.
The Orlim Bridge is on the south from here, just 1 kilometer away. Third, another proposed bridge coming up at Benaulim, just 1.5 kilometers to the north. And fourth, the existing bridge, newly constructed Haraban Bridge, is just 5 kilometers from here. So, why do we need another bridge here?
PWD Minister Churchill Alamau said that the bridges were a necessity and also a long-pending demand of the locals.
तो पुल आईन आयलना लोकांगे मागणी आहली 28 वर्सां कडेन मिनिस्टरा कडेन गेलते MLA कडेन गेलते MLAन आनी राणेन येवन थिंगा हातोर घातलो बिस्तो कांय करूं ना तेमी कांय करूं ना हातोर थिंगा दवरलो कितें केलो आनी सांगिल्लें पुल हें जाता म्हणून.
Though the minister claims that the project was only for the people, the locals have a different story to tell.
We don't need this bridge, I think, because we already have a bridge which is almost about 1.5 kilometers over here from here. That is the Orlim Bridge.
Our reporter from Warka, Samir Bhatt.
Nees Rapon Karanso Ekwood has requested the government to move to High Court and place the facts before it and protect the traditional fishermen's livelihood.
After High Court's order to the Panchayats to take strict action on the constructions within CRZ, the Panchayats issued about 600 notices to the fishermen living near the coastal belts. Soon after the notices were issued, the Rampur Karanso Ekwood opposed the order by the Panchayat. Advocate Radharao Grasha, supporting the cause of the fishermen, also said that if necessary, government should amend the law for protection of Goan fishermen.
These are Goans. 100% of these people are Goans. Today in Margam, there is an entire colony of people from outside who don't even know our language, who have come and usurped Komnidad land. And our Chief Minister has given them a 5-star slum status. They have been given all the facilities, and our own people are being pushed into the sea. This is something we do not accept, we do not approve. And we therefore demand that the government should move the High Court immediately, put the facts before the High Court, and if need be, change the law.
President of Nees Rampur Karanso Ekwood, Carlos Fernandes, said that they would agitate till justice is done to them. Piedad said that advisor of Goencha Rampur Karanso Ekwood, Matani Saldana, is not helping them in their needy times.
हे आमगेलो मातांनी आतां हेका लागून आमी केन्ना मिटींग घेनासलो आनी सगळी मातांनी आमी काम करतालो भाशेन आमी सांगनासतना आतां मातांनी हे प्रॉब्लेम जाला मातांनी मुखार येना हे सगळे कामां मोर्चे काडून वता रामणकारान आमकां कसलें कितें जालें आनी कोणालो जाल्यार आमकां घेवन वयता पूण हे टायम आतां अजून ते मोर्चे काडपाचे वो आमी सपोर्ट करपाक अजून कांय केलें ना.
A reporter at Kolva, Santan Rodriguez.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.